Today, we're talking all about the importance of having friends in the industry. A lot of times this is from masterminds or from conferences where you can get together and you can make friends in the industry. You can really expand. And I want to talk about that importance because it's been so monumental to me. First of all, I'm Jacob Godar. I've got a lawn and landscape company. I have met a ton of people in this industry from going to industry events, masterminds in general, and it has exponentially helped me grow my company. And I want to talk about the ways it's done that because I don't want people to miss out on the value it can bring. So often, even if we're not in the same area, people think of everyone else as competition. And the thought of competition is very, very small-minded. Yes, there is my local competition, which I would still help all of them because no matter how much I help them, they can't beat me. And it brings good karma back to me to help others. And I can still have the mentality of I'm going to crush and dominate everybody in my local market. That's how I'm wired, but that doesn't keep me from wanting to associate or work with or help people around me because we all win more together. The green industry wins more together. Every industry does, right? Be thinking about like how a lot of times when you think of just everybody as competition, it's really having a negative effect on what you could have as a business owner because working with others is exponentially better than not wanting to work with others. So first, what I love about getting together with other people in your industry is one, being able to bounce off ideas, right? Now, if I have a wild, crazy idea, I get a wild hair up my ass, like I can ask someone else in the industry, hey dude, this is what I'm thinking about doing. What do you think about that? And they can speak on if they've ever done it, their experience from what they know so far, like so many things to bring value to me so it can help me make my decision faster. You know, I'm pretty certain about the things I want to do, but it never hurts to get a second opinion. And if it's very industry related to like what we do with our business, you get so much value when you're talking to someone who's in the industry where they can bring what they know. One, that's why it's really good to know people in your local neighborhood, your local area, because they can talk to you about how it's working here, and then know people from far, far away in different markets, different areas, doing whole different type of maybe even landscaping because the atmosphere is even different, and then you can bring that to them, and you can bounce that idea off them and see if they can maybe make that idea that one little shift that makes it 100 times better, that gets you much more value when you take action on that idea. Second is just asking for help in general, getting to ask people for help. Okay, I ran into this hiring situation, this employee situation, this irrigation, lawn care, landscaping, lighting, this situation, can you please help me? Now you're gonna be able to get instant answers here again so you can go faster, so you can grow your company faster, so you can have more success faster and help other people by hiring people and help the community more and contribute to your local economy more. It's a win-win-win to be involved with competition, to be in masterminds, to go to conferences that are industry related. Like knowing these people and building that network is so big. So asking for help is the second reason that I've always loved having people in this industry and even outside. All of this pertains to networking and conferences that are outside of the industry as well. But when you're getting started, it's so important to know a lot about your industry and have those people to help you do the right things very soon so you can keep expanding. Now, finally, just like the rest of this stuff, very, very similar is knowing these people so you know enough and you can ask them about what is going on in their company and how they do certain things. So now if you know like, hey, I'm starting off or wherever I'm at, I'm at $1 million in sales and I know someone that's doing 5 million in sales and I know them well enough where I can talk to them and see what they're doing. So now I can model things they do that will help me be successful because all you need to do to get what you want is to find someone else who has already achieved it and then just go do what they did to achieve it. And that's the easy path to get what it is that you want. You know, a lot of times we try to go out, we try to figure out everything on our own, but modeling is the word. Modeling is this third point. Modeling off of someone who's already got the success. Now you can model everything they did, maybe tweak and make some things even better as you go, and you can get there that much faster and you already have a roadmap. So if there's a map available, why would you wander around hoping to end up where you want to end? So knowing these people, being able to make these acquaintances and networks and friendships is going to allow you to know and have something to model off of to grow your company. And I can give you another example of how this stuff has saved me countless hours. I spend a lot of time in learning learning about insurance because I thought I wanted to start an insurance agency. And this is where networking outside of just the industry is huge. Like, I spent a lot of time, and I've got a good friend in insurance agency work, and I talked to him. He basically kept me back in my lane in lawn care and landscaping. He said, how much easier would it be for you to earn another $250,000 in lawn care and landscaping versus starting a whole new type of industry? And he was right. He saved me so much time. So networking, modeling, asking questions, and bouncing ideas off of others can help you so much in your business. If you like this video at all, if this has led you in a direction, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you want an awesome network of people, join GROW Comm. It's our private group. You can find that at jacobgodar.com. Hit the wait list, check that out. It opens 4 times a year. Tight-knit group of people who want to win.